welcome back to Fork It Up with Neely. My name's Janelle, and today I want to talk about how to replace one plastic item either per day, per week, per month, so on and so forth. So the one main plastic item that we're going to be talking about is removing your plastic cat litter boxes and the inside scoop of what litter you're using. So let's just jump right in. So plastic, let's just talk about this. Plastic litter boxes. Plastic litter boxes. They trap odor. Most cats don't even like them. So the plastic has like liners. So that ruins like the cat claws when the cat tries to dig into the litter. It's not good for their nails. And urine honestly will seep underneath the liner. So that's what causes a lot of odor. Which is again why it's not getting absorbed. Depending on how many times you clean your litter box will depend on how many times it's actually gonna stink or how strongly it's gonna stink.
So I find myself cleaning, always cleaning. I don't actually have a mat underneath this litter box. You're supposed to have mats underneath. Mine is coming through on Amazon, but I see myself cleaning up anything that has plastic to clean it with. Plastic broom, plastic dustpan, plastic bags. I mean, I'm doing good by cleaning up my house, but I'm not exactly cleaning up the environment because that garbage, that plastic bag is pretty much going to go into the garbage, and the garbage goes into the dumpster, and nothing's really getting recycled. And I wasn't really too smart on even getting a metal scooper. I have a plastic one. My metal one is actually coming in the mail about 3 days. I got it from Amazon. I'll definitely send you the link below. Cleaning out my litter box plays a role between me and my sister, whoever can clean the litter box first. And if you leave it anywhere between a week or 2 weeks, you start to develop a lot of clumps at the end of the litter, and it gets really tough to even take out. Like, ugh, that was disgusting. It went all over the floor.
So throw out your plastic litter boxes. I got something for you. And any of the items that I show you here is going to have a link in the description box below. Okay, guys? So I do have this famous disposable litter box. It is by Naturemiracle. So about 17 by 12. And in this litter box, it is made with also like baking soda. So baking soda actually, if you didn't know, will remove like odors on when your cat is urinating, so it's not such a strong urine or a strong poop, and it will definitely not shed or tear. I do have one at home, and it is also made from like recycled paper and like any recycled material, and it's suited for any use of all types of litters. But besides that, I'm going to show you the substitution of what litter I am using that will go hand in hand with this disposable litter box. So that way you're still keeping yourself green and away from plastic. And overall, better for your cat. So let's go into cat litter. So many cat litters have this dust called silica dust, which has a link in the upper respiratory issues where it can affect cats and humans. Likewise, like any fragrance with any of the litters, that can be toxic to your cat. So you really want to try to get something that's fragrance free and really be careful of how much dust is in that litter. Now let me show you a substitution for that called Exquisicat's Natural Cat Paper. Exquisicat's Natural Paper Litter. And when I first saw this, I was like, what the hell is this? I didn't know you can have like, besides litter, like have paper litter in order for them to, you know, do their business. I thought this was legit. I thought this was pretty cool. Tried it out on my cat for the first time. Really want to experiment. Before I even tell you guys about it, I always like to use the product first, just in case, and give you my opinion on it, you know? One problem. He didn't use it. I found my cat Apollo really taking little pieces of the paper rolls and just either biting them, dropping them on the floor, playing with it, biting it again, maybe trying to eat it. It just didn't work out. And then I was like, damn. Anyway though, I did find a backup. So same brand, but it's called Exquisicat's Micro Cat Litter. So it's Exquisicat's Micro Crystal Cat Litter. So this wound up being more beneficial. I personally loved it. I think this was a better bet. Both of them are natural odor control. Has baking soda already in it. It has zeolite in it. 99% dust free, which helps prevent like any tracking or any non-allergic reactions.
So I just want to make this clear. They're both from the same company and they're both good. It just so happens my cat preferred to choose this litter rather than the other litter. That doesn't mean that the other one's bad. I don't want to come off as bashing the other one. It's all pretty much about your cat's preference. So I wanted to give you an insight of how much litter I'm actually using, and it's pretty low. It's really not that much. If you can see, like while I'm moving the litter, it's close to the bottom. And there's a lot of room around the sides. So just in case, like, you know, when cats like kick up the sand, not the sand, sorry, because it looks like sand, kick up the litter, it's not actually going to be going all over the place on the floor. But I do recommend putting some type of like towel or some type of mat underneath, because just in case, there are going to be some few crumbs on the floor, but not that much. As you can tell, Apollo did sneeze it up because he was taking a big whiff of what it was. I also put some of the litter on the floor so that way you can get an insight of like what it is. Putting him inside was so funny. He just wouldn't sit. Like he was just like, what is this? This looks weird. He probably thought it was snow. He's an indoor cat. He does not go outside. But more and more I saw him, you know, going out of it, but then coming back, scooping it out, really using his paws to move around the litter, because it's new to him. Like he's not going to understand. Like cats are not going to learn right away, but he got the idea the next day and used it, and that's the game plan, you know. Maybe he needed me not to film him, and maybe he just needed his own privacy. Again, I do not want to film the fact that he pooped because my cat literally got mad when I tried it, so we're not going to do that.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Hit the thumbs up if you like what I did. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And thank you for watching another video with me. Stay tuned. Bye guys.